Hi students, welcome to plus 2 computer class. We are discussing PHP, especially 3-tier architecture of PHP, how we are connecting PHP with MySQL. In the previous video we discussed about super globals, global array like global, then request, then $server, get method and post method, comparison between get method and post method. So which method is most secure? Post method. Which method is faster? Get method, but it is not secure. So in get method 2000 character we can send, but in post method there is no limit. So very important difference between get method and post method. Both are used for transferring data from client to server. Okay, if username and password is transferring, then you want to use post method instead of get method. Then in this video we are going to discuss the PHP forms. Okay, form to accept student data. Okay, I am going to explain one sample PHP program. Okay, form to accept student data. Then the question is, first I am going to create a form. Okay, the question is, I am going to create a form using HTML. In that form, one text box for name along with mark, student name, then register number, student name, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3. Okay, 3 subjects mark I am entering. Then when I click on the submit button, what you want to get? That means according to the marks, the grade the student got. Okay, if the mark is greater than 180, then it is first class. There will be one condition will be there, no? According to that condition, the submitted data, okay, instead of client form, you want to get a web page. Okay, so the final web page we can create using PHP, but the initial web page, that means the registration or client form, we are creating using HTML program. So first I will create the HTML form, then after that using that form I will interact with PHP program. So clear? So we can write, first we will write the PHP form. So first I am going to create HTML form. Okay, so inside the body tag, here it is body tag. So I am going to start with body tag, then form method equal to post method, method equal to post method, then action is equal to result dot PHP, result dot PHP. So hope you understood the first statement. Here we are creating a form, form name is not mentioned. The method I am using is post method and action is equal to result dot PHP. When we click on submit button, the data is transferring to result dot PHP. That program we will write later. Then first one is register number. So first I am going to write the register number colon input type equal to text, type equal to text. Then I am going to give the text box as name is equal to register number. The same name I am going to give input. Then BR name colon input type equal to name, type equal to text, type equal to text, value is equal to S name, student name, that's why short form is S name, then BR tag. So student name is over, then mark 1, mark in first subject, mark 1, input type equal to text, value is not value, name equal to mark 1, name equal to mark 1, BR mark 2. Input type equal to text, name equal to mark 2. Name equal to mark 2. BR mark 3. Input type equal to text, name is equal to mark 3. Name equal to mark 3. Then input type equal to submit. Okay, type equal to submit, value equal to show result. Value equal to show result. Then after that close the form tag. Then when we write like this, what will be the output, final output? When we write like this, then we will get an HTML form. Okay, we will get an HTML form. What will be the first one? Register number. One text box will come. Then after that, name of the student. One more text box will come. Then mark 1, third text box. Mark 3, fourth text box. Then mark 2, mark 3, another text box, and then submit button. So when we execute this HTML program, we will get a form like this. Then here I am going to give some of the mark. What is this text box name? Register number. Then name, S name. Name text box name is S name, and this one is mark 1, mark 2, mark 3. Okay. So when we execute this HTML program, we will get a form like this. In that form, it consists of 5 text boxes. First text box for register number, second text box for name, third text box for mark 1, then mark 2, mark 3, and then submit. So when we type register number of a student, name of the student, mark 1, mark 2, and mark 3. When you type any of the mark, this value, when you click on submit button, the entire value will transfer to the program result.php. Then in result.php, as a result, what you want to get? You want to get a web page. Inside that web page, instead of this, you want to get the result. Name and register number of a student along with the result according to the total mark that you want to get. Clear? So hope you understood the form design. We will get a form like this. Then all the names are given in that along with the table itself. So next I am going to write, when we click on submit button, which PHP program is executing? Result.php. So that result.php program that I am going to write. Open the PHP program. $M1 is equal to $post of mark 1. $post of mark 1. $M2 is equal to $post of mark 2. Then $M3 is equal to $post of mark 3. $T mark is equal to $M1 plus $M2 plus $M3. $M1 plus $M2 plus $M3. If $M1 less than 40 or $M2 less than 40 or $M3 less than 40. Result is equal to failed. Then else if T marks or total marks less than 150, result equal to passed. Then else if T marks less than 180, result is equal to second class. Then else if T marks less than 225, result equal to first class. Else result is equal to distinction. Result equal to distinction. Okay, I am continuing here. Echo BR register number dot dollar underscore post register number. Then echo BR name dot dollar post sname, $post sname, echo BR total marks dot dollar T marks, echo BR result dot dollar post dollar result. Question close. Okay, so this is the PHP program. So we will start with the first statement. $M1 is equal to $post of mark 1. Then I already mentioned, okay, here I am going to type the name Anu. Name of the student is Anu. Then register number of the student is 1200. Name of the student is John. Then the marks obtained 90, 95, 90, 95 and 85. Okay, so here I typed the marks of the student 90, 95 and 85. So when I click on the submit button, automatically the data present in that form is transferring to result.php program. This is the result.php program. Here I written in the board itself. So in result.php, what will happen? The entire text box value will be assigned into PHP variable. So now $M1 is equal to the first text box mark 1. So that's why here it is $M1 is equal to $post of mark 1, because mark 1 text box name also mark 1. Then $M2, $M3 corresponding to this. Using $post method, we assign the 3 mark values or 3 mark text box value into M1, M2 and M3. Then after that, to find the result, you want to find the total mark. To find the total mark, we created one PHP variable $total marks, that is equal to $M1 plus $M2 plus $M3. Okay, so now the final result or the total mark is available in the variable T marks variable. Then after that, you want to find the grades, classes according to the mark. If the student got less mark, below 40 mark in any of the subject, then at that moment we can print the student failed. Okay, so that is the condition. If any of the subject M1 less than 40, M2 less than 40, M3 less than 40, that means the student is failed. So the $result is used to store the result. Then else if the mark is total mark is less than 150, then the student passed. Otherwise less than 180, second class. Then if it is less than 225, first class, otherwise distinction. So these all are the conditions. So by this we find out the result. Okay, any of the condition will satisfy. So here 90 plus 95 plus 85. So definitely it is greater than 225. So definitely what will be the grade? Distinction. Then so by this we are calculated the result. Then next thing is you want to print this in a web page format. Okay, so that we are executing next. Okay, so this will be the final web page that we created using PHP program. So echo register number. What will be the first result? Register number. So what is here? $post of register number. $post of register number. Whichever register number we typed in the HTML column will come here. 1200. What is it? 1200. Then after that echo BR name of the student. Name of the student. What will be the name of the student? $post of S name. The same name that we typed in the HTML column. What is the name of the student? John. Okay. The next one will be the total mark. Total marks. Total marks. What is the total mark? 270. 95 plus 85 plus 90, 270. Then the result. What will be the result? Result equal to result distinction. Okay, what is it? Result. This is the program result.php. So when we click on the submit button, the entire data present in the HTML form is transferring to PHP program using which method? $post method. Okay, so when we are creating the HTML program at the method, action is equal to method equal to post method, and action is equal to result.php. Result.php means whichever data we are typing in the HTML form, when we click on it, it will transferring to that particular web page or particular PHP program. So this is a program for result.php. This is the smallest program that indicate the working of PHP form, how we are interconnecting client program means HTML program with PHP using one attribute of form. Which is that attribute? Form, method and action. Action is equal to result.php. Okay, clear? So hope you understood this program. It's working. Then first variables are assigned, and after that it is adding M1, M2, M3 is adding to get the final result. After that comparing, after the comparison value is assigned. Okay, so we can revise the topics that we studied. project, PHP project, how we are creating PHP project by interconnecting HTML and PHP program, and also we discussed the form to access student data. Okay, so this is the sample student data. We can create a student data form using HTML. Then that HTML we can connect with PHP using action attribute, and also method get or post method we can use. Okay, you want to write this program in your notebook. This is available in your textbook. So please copy this program in your notebook. Here I am not going to give any of the homework, but this question you want to copy in your notebook. Any one program you want to identify how the PHP form is working. Okay, so hope you understood. The remaining section, that means interconnection of PHP with MySQL, we will discuss in the next video. Okay, then thank you.